So guys, you already know that the Samsung Galaxy S23 series will be launching in February 1st and almost less than a month away. We are getting some new leaks and rumors for the S23 series which will pretty much giving us a detail about that particular device. Well, today we have got another leak regarding the pricing of the S23 series. Well, guys, you already know that Samsung is coming with some incredible hardware inside, which is going to be causing the price of the S23 series to be a little bit more expensive. But that is not going to be the case because a new leak has been coming from South Korea, which indicates the pricing of the S23 series is going to be different. But before going into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So guys, you already know that Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra packing some incredible hardware, which includes a 200 megapixel of a camera sensor, a new cooling system, a new flat display, and also we are expecting to see satellite connectivity for the S23 Ultra. So combining all of these features will definitely means that a price hike could be around the corner. But that is not the case because according to a latest leak coming from Korean media, give us a detail that the upcoming S23 Ultra will be packing the same pricing as the last year S22 Ultra, which definitely means that the pricing could be remaining the same, which is going to be good update. Well, if they price their devices a little bit higher, then definitely there is going to be competition against the iPhone 14 series that was coming with the less price. Now this means that the S23 pricing will be $799 for the base S23. S23 Plus will be coming with $899 and $1199 for the S23 Ultra. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited about the pricing of the S23 series? Now moving on, we already know that the S23 Ultra will be packing some much more improvement in the S23 series. Although we do have similar kind of a design of the camera lenses and the display, but definitely there is going to be some improvement in the camera department because we are getting a new 200 megapixel sensor where we have an 8K video recording with 30 frames per second option. Along with that, it's coming with three different modes which include 12 megapixel, 50 megapixel and a 200 megapixel camera modes. Also, we are going to see a 4K portrait video mode just like the cinematic mode in the iPhone 14 series devices. The battery is going to be remaining the same as 5000 mAh and 45 watt of fast charging. What is more interesting is that we are going to be seeing a new base storage of up to 256GB for the S23 Ultra, which is pretty much amazing. Also, we have a new custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which definitely give you a much more better performance than any other Android devices that were coming with the normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. We also see that a 12GB of S23 Ultra will be coming as a standard, so definitely it's a win-win situation and the best choice for the Samsung consumer. And you guys, if you're interested in some other S23 Ultra device leaks, here are the videos, check them out as well. Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe, peace.